Hi everyone, Vince with Boomer Electronics here. Today I've acquired an uncommon item, a Sega Nomad, and it came with the aftermarket power adapter and a battery pack as well. It's not working, so I figure I go through trying to get this thing fixed. I'll show you what it's doing. I have an official AC adapter hooked up right now. So it does power on, and all I hear is humming coming out of the speaker with through the speaker and through headphones. The brightness knob does do something, so it appears it's not booting games for whatever reason. So I'm gonna take it apart and show you what I find. So off camera I took this thing apart, measured the capacitors with my ESR meter, and they're all more or less in tolerance. The capacitors seem absolutely fine. This wasn't really expecting it to be a capacitor issue anyways. I really just wanted to open it up and see what it looked like on the inside because I haven't been in one of these myself. So yeah, put it all back together and did some more basic tests, and noticed if you tilt the cartridge this way towards me here, they boot. So the issue is just with the cartridge slot. Yeah, it seems like it's working perfectly fine, just the cartridge slot's a little iffy. So I'll just go ahead and focus on that. Then look, if I let go of the game back here, it crashed. So yeah, it's just an iffy cartridge port, pretty simple. So I'm probably just going to I'll see if I can get in there with my fine tip tweezers and kind of bend the pins a little bit so they're making a better connection to the cartridge. And yeah, this one should be good to go. I went ahead and used my tweezers to move these pins a little closer together. And now it's a nice tight fit in there and seems to work perfectly. Just show that on camera. And also as a test, just try to get this in shot here. So yeah, if I move the cartridge around like this, the console isn't crashing. So yeah, it looks like this one ended up being a pretty simple fix, which is fortunate for me. So I'm waiting for a new glass screen protector to come in to replace this one. Then I'll get this up for sale, and that'll be about it. Yeah, sorry, this one's kind of a simple one, but they're not always complicated. I hope you learned something, and take care.